Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Trezor Safe 3 Easy Guide. Unbox your Trezor Safe 3, connect it to your computer or phone, and accept the on-screen prompt to start a new device setup. Create a strong device PIN and write down the recovery seed on the provided card, keeping it offline and secure. Update firmware when prompted and enable passphrase protection for extra security. Start by choosing a PIN for daily use and never reveal it to anyone, not even support staff. When the device displays your recovery seed, write it down carefully on the recovery card and verify each word in order. Store that card in a secure place like a safe or safety deposit box, and consider a metal backup for fire and water protection to keep your crypto truly secure. Open Trezor Suite or the recommended web interface and follow the guided steps to pair your device and create accounts. Always confirm firmware updates on the device screen before approving to avoid malicious installs. Consider using a passphrase for additional privacy and back up any account-specific settings separately. Regularly review connected apps and revoke unused permissions to reduce attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.